Started using the RedNote app but want to change the language? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to change languages on RedNote. Now let's get started. To change languages on the RedNote app, open RedNote and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings icon at the bottom. Select General Settings. This will be the second option at the top of the menu. Now tap Languages. This is the top option in the menu. Finally, select the language you want to change the app to. RedNote will then switch to your selected language. That's all it takes to change languages in the RedNote app. If you're looking to try other new social apps, check out our tutorial on how to download Blue Sky next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.